Hello and welcome back. This is James from UX Shape. Today we're going to be looking at a full screen banner, full width banner. I will show you exactly what I mean. You know, some websites you go and they have their banner displayed fully. Let me just show you what I mean. Let's look at this crowdfunder. There's a website, crowdfunding platform, and they've used full width banner. You can see this banner is 100% wide of the web browser. So even if you minimize and maximize the browser and you reshape, you resize it, the banner is still full screen. So we're going to be learning how to do it using ActionRP. It's going to be very simple. We're not going to be using colors or images. We're just going to use fairly simple technique, and you can always use this in your prototype as well. So let's get started. So we've opened our ActionRP, and then the next thing we need to do is to drag and place our rectangle widget. I'll just make this probably, let's say, about 1000 px. Yep. And we can give it a height of, let's say, about 750. So we just tidy things up. Let's give it this color and let's remove the border. So nice and clear. Let's just drop some text in here and let's see how it looks like. Yeah. Let's call this banner. Let's call this full width banner. So we've done that. Let's resize this. I like to use this font. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's say 75, or let's say 150. Oh, no, let's say 120. All right, let's say 100. Okay, so we've done. Let's align it and format it properly. Yeah, centered. Let's change the color to white probably. Yeah, okay, perfect. Now we just project UX shape. Full width banner. Okay, we've saved that. All right, so what we need to do next is to, how do we achieve this full screen banner? The technique that we use is to use an image, and I'm gonna show you how to do it, but we're not gonna use anything like Photoshop. We're just gonna use Paint on our system. So let's go to Paint and let's get Paint out. Yeah. So what we need to do now is to select the rectangle widget and copy it, and then we go to Paint and paste it into Paint. Once we paste it into Paint, it maintains the size and everything, and we can just save. Go and say we can name it as full width banner if we want to, and we save it. Once we've saved it, we can close it, and that's it. To achieve this, we need to convert this widget to a dynamic panel, and once we've converted to dynamic panel, you see something change here. The property and style widget panel has changed. We can now make it 100% wide, and it's going to be browser only, and we save that. And the next thing we need to do is to go into the state, the default state of the dynamic panel, which is usually one state. Once we are here, we need to go to the back image and import the image we saved that we created using Paint. We go to back image, select import, and we browse for our image. You can use any image if you want to, but we just use this image that we've created, and we select that. Once we've done that, we're going to centralize the horizontal alignment and centralize the vertical alignment, and also we're going to repeat it to stretch to cover. Once we've done that, we save this and we close the dynamic panel state and we go back to our page. Once we've selected the 100% wide, we are good to go. The next thing we need to do now will be to preview this work, what we've done, and we can simply preview it. As you can see, it's 100% wide. But you can see that this text here is showing at the left hand side. So we're just going to fix that by going back to the page, and we go to page style, and you'll see this page alignment. We select the centered alignment and we make the horizontal alignment and the vertical alignment, and we save. We're not going to use repeat because we're just only working with page now. We're not working with the dynamic panel. So the next thing we're going to do is to preview what we've done, and boom, we have the full width banner. And if you resize this page, if you resize it, it's going to be full width anyhow, and it's going to maintain that full width on your prototype. I hope you've been able to learn something new. If you love this tutorial and you want to know more about how to use this full width banner, drop a comment below and I'll explain to you, and I can also send you the file. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.